ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। Hello everyone. So I changed this volcano block to the BQ B1SE plus printer. So now I'm going to do a temperature tower test for ABS. I'm using the Orca slicer. My printer profile is ready. ABS filament, everything is ready. I'm going to temperature tower ABS. My filament recommendation is between the 230 to 250. So let's slice it and print it. So after the printing, it took some 1 hour 15 minutes something. Okay, here it looks like. Everywhere looks good. So before this volcano block, I print at 250, but I think now it's all the way up. I think 230 is better. Bridging and everything inside, overhanging layer lines. Yep. So before the volcano, I print 250. I think now I'm start with the 230. So that's good. So this is the good result. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. This retraction test before this temperature tower. Now retraction test 0 to end 4 mm 0.5 step and 40 mm speed. Slice it and print it. After the temperature tower, so 0 to 4 mm, 40 mm speed. So I think it's less stringing here. It looks okay. Now I'm going to do another test. Another retraction test 4 to 8.5 40 mm speed. The test is complete. So 4 mm to 8 mm, 40 mm speed, 0.5 step. It looks good. No stringing there. So like after 4 mm, no stringing, 40 mm speed. So better than before. And need a less heat for print. So okay, this is the temperature and reflection test. So quite impressed with the upgrade. So next content for next video. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.